5 o'clock on Halloween, that's when I found out that, yeah, it does work.
It actually worked.
Yeah, because up until then, it was like, well, it should work. Serious, right?
Yeah.
Nice deadline.
This is just great. We're on a lawn. One word for next time. MapQuest. You know, if you're just gonna sit there, why don't you let me drive?
You can't drive. You're a crow.
Well, then you drive. Go ahead. Start the car.
I will.
Well, I'm not hearing an engine. I don't hear anything.
I will. Now just don't pressure me.
You don't really know how to drive, do you?
Technically, it's not that I don't know how to drive, it's just that I don't know how to start the car.
There's 3 little shows here.
Oh, okay.
Sequence through. Oh, I forgot to put on loop.
Oh.
Admit what?
Just admit it.
Admit what?
We're lost.
No, we're not.
Oh, look,
We're exactly where I wanted to be.
we're in New York City.
That's right. We're in Times Square, New York City. Look at that, the Empire State Building. The tallest building in New York City.
That building there.
That building there.
The white one.
Yep, ain't she a beaut?
You know, call me crazy. Unless the Empire State Building is a 2-story house, we're still in Glendale.
New York City.
You're pretty much down to a brainstem these days.
That's great.
Yeah, it's, I try to keep it fun.
What are you
Yeah.
looking at? I wanted to park it here. Go inside and get some candy.
Good save, genius.
And then it just